Have you already created your Grok AI account? Well, let's walk through how you can quickly log in. Let's get right into the video. First, go to the official Grok AI website and click on Login button, usually at the top right corner. It's also called Sign In. Then enter your registered email and password, then click Login. Since I created with Google, I can just click on Continue with Google. You can also do the same. If your credentials are correct, you land right inside the Grok AI dashboard, ready to chat or explore new features. Just like this. And that's it. You're now logged in into Grok AI and ready to unleash its powerful AI tools. If you enjoyed this video or if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.